It's important for your website to reflect your brand's imagery and styling. I'm Brian from Network Solutions, and I'm here to show you how to do that using our AI website builder. So here we are in your AI website builder, and we're going to take a look at how you can really make your brand kind of come through within your website. And the first place to get started with that is really your header. It's the thing that everybody sees when they come to your website. No matter what, they're all going to see your header, and it really sets the tone for your brand within the website. So the first thing that you can do here, and probably the most natural and easiest thing to do, is to add your logo. If you have a logo, simply come on over here and click this little button. You can easily upload it, or if you just want to use text in place of a logo at this point, you can do that. But making sure that the name of your company and your organization comes through and really sets the tone for the website is incredibly important. If you don't have a logo, you actually get Logo Builder for free as part of your account with Network Solutions. So we'll cover that in a different video or article, but within your account, you should be able to get to a logo builder that will help you, pick your colors, pick your imagery, pick your text, use AI to actually write and select those things, and ultimately get you a logo you can use on your site and really anywhere else that you want to use it. So go check that out. But once you have that, you can easily add it here so that it can really set the stage for your website. The next thing is within the header as a whole, you can change the color and layout of the header so that it reinforces that brand. So say my color is that orange that I want to use for my lobster shack that I already have within my logo there. I can come on over here to the design section and choose the orange color as for the items that exist within the header, so that it really kind of ties that together and makes it one brand experience here. By clicking apply, then it applies that, and then all of those items up there are kind of a continuous color with my brand. So next, we're going to take a look at general kind of theming and colors across your site. So if you're using that orange to be your accent color, you can pretty easily actually set it up so that the website respects that, and wherever it uses accent colors, you can set that orange to be the color that you want it to be, or really any color that reinforces your brand. So to do that, you come over here to the left nav and click on this theme button. And from here, you have a lot of the controls to do the types of things that you want to do to reinforce your brand. First up, we'll take a look at colors. As part of building your website, you selected a theme and selected the colors associated with that theme. Now, if you want to go in and change that, you can really easily decide, hey, I want this primary color to be that same orange, and use it as like your header and your imagery. If you don't want it to be that loud and want it to be more of a secondary color, you can do the same thing to come in here, and that will take more of the secondary elements across your website and bring it into the colors that you want to use to reinforce your brand. So if instead of setting colors across the entire site, you really want to go element by element and set the colors, we make it really easy to do that as well. So for text, all you have to do is come in here and highlight the text, and then set the color of that text using this menu item here to wherever you want it. Have that to reinforce your brand. That might be a little bit too much. Say you just want the button to be orange. You can come on in here, edit the button, go to the settings of that button, and then set the background color to be really whatever color you want. The next thing that you can edit to reinforce your brand is the text and font. So back up here to the theme menu, you can choose the fonts that you want to use across your site. And we give you the option to, across the entire site, set them for either different fonts for your heading and your text, or if you just want one font across the entire website, we give you a little radio button here to go about doing that as well. But say I really want the headers to be in this Lato font, I can really easily set that. So wherever there are headers across the site, it updates them there. So just like colors on the website, you can really easily go into each individual text element and change the font across them as well. So say in this case, I really want this headline to stand out here in the main cover area of my website. I can come in here, edit this text, and then select the font area here. And then I have all these different fonts for us to choose from here. Say, I want it to really look different. I choose Roboto and have that be specific for that specific text box. The rest of them still having been set by that website level control of the header and paragraph text across the website. All right, so now you have your header, your colors, and your font set to really reinforce the brand that you're trying to create, for your business and for your website. So now that your website matches your brand, it's ready to publish. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Check out our playlist of video tutorials or reach out to us directly.